Look at me, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? So before we do anything and before we get into anything today, let me introduce y'all to my new Sunburn right here. Boy, that trip to Reading burnt me up. I'm out here peeling like a Rochimoto or something. Jeez, I've been putting aloe vera, everything on, nothing's working. So I'm just about to be out here looking like I got dandruff on my forehead. Should have wore a headband and just did my whole vlog like this or something. Anywho, so y'all see the 350Z behind me. That means we have a day full of 350Z stuff. Today's cool because I get to take a break from the vet, picked up the bike, chilling on the bike today, but I do get to mess with the 350Z today. So yeah, today we about to be getting the LS3 up in Chunzi. I'm gonna be on George Ash today. I'm gonna be all in his ear, all in his face, like, bro, we starting? I'm hovering around today, baby. Oh yeah, and for the G35, we're waiting for new injectors for this. Swapped the injectors to stock injectors, car runs perfectly fine. So I'm getting rid of the 1650s and I'm downsizing to 1000s. I don't really need that much of an injector for this, so that's why I decided to go with the 1000s. That should be enough for 91 and plenty for E85 on this car because I'm no longer going for 600 or 700 on a supercharged setup. But it does run a lot better since we swapped the injectors out. Once the injectors come, little baby gonna be ready to come home also. We're not here for this car today, we're here for this. So let's go inside and see where we at with the LS3 right now in the assembly process. And here it is, ready to go in. About to throw the trans on here, and then we're gonna be pushing the car in to get this thing all mounted inside the car. Ty know what's up. Today we getting this thing started, right Ty? Start? Nah. George said started today. He said it should be starting. Tucker, starting, right?
No, he said we'd be starting on it.
No, starting, running. Ching, ching, chomp, 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 chomp. Running today. Running. Ready to swing and do donuts, all that. Son. Progress already, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Is it ready to start yet, though?
Not quite.
I'm hovering around you all day today. I'm on your ass, Ty.
Oh, it's just gonna slow me down, bro.
If you need help, just let me know.
For sure.
I'm down to help. If it makes the process faster. A little dilemma here. This fits a little on the loose side, so no go.
Shit.
Damn, man.
Gonna have to send it.
Yep, I guess so. Didn't want to use this needle bearing, but whatever. Let's put some anti-seize on it and throw it in there.
Oh yeah.
Anti-seize, gunk it. Look like a poop shooter. Out here listening to Manny Fresh. You know you don't be listening to this, bruh. You don't be driving around slapping Manny Fresh.
That's what Spotify playlist, bro.
Needle bearing, man. So which one of y'all need a good pilot bearing? Brand new OEM.
Oh man.
Tucker, here you go. You know you need this, bruh. It's brand new. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas. Time to push the car in and get this thing in there. Look at that tiny strong man right there.
Tiny T to the rescue.
Tiny T pulling the whole trailer by itself. Gains, baby.
Yeah, no pain, no gain.
Work them quads. Woo, look, it's been so long since I seen my car rolling, baby.
All right.
Damn.
Damn, never saw the bash bar.
You gotta slow it down, dude.
I didn't even get the fall. All I seen was fucking styrofoam flying up. Damn. Missed the content. Could have been a highlight at the beginning. Ready? Ooh, that bash bar though. Taking lunch. What is this?
Hey,
Lunch.
yeah, this kid needs some meat on his bones. Look how scrawny he is.
Nah, look at that. Look at that vascularity though. Hold on. Look at that arm. Let me see that arm. Look. No, flip it. This way. Look, vascularity. When you see veins, that's gains. Veins equal gains. We're about to start a whole little song. Veins equal gains. Flex on them.
Sometimes it's like a pinnacle, but it's all but the cause. So I'm gonna continue to MC.
Watch out for the power steering line.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the jacket.
We cleared the condenser.
You're past the condenser now, so you're good.
Alright.
You're good, dude.
Better lock it. Get the headers in. If not, it's not gonna go in. So we just got the hardest part done, and that's getting the headers in. So it's easier to start with the driver's side, get that in, and then go to the passenger side to get this side in. But the headers is probably the worst part of this whole ordeal. But they in now, so after this we just got to get everything all bolted up and get it all secure in there. That way we can start putting everything else around it together. Sitting in that thing. Is it ready to start? Little strokes. This fool Aaron just pulled up. Remember, it's 5.0 over here, and he about to start disassembling that thing and starting to get ready for the new block that he got. Damn, this shit hella loud ass truck.
Oh,
Wait, so he got the camera out. You know what I'm saying? He trying.
It's kind of hard to turn mine on right now, cause with that truck, it ain't just
Bruh, this nigga really brought his own tools to the shop. My nigga brought his own tools. So yeah, we're about to be disassembling this. So yeah, this is getting fully disassembled. Everything coming off this Jemmy, and his new block is somewhere. Where your new block at? His new block is in here. Jesus, that thing hella loud. But yeah, this is the new block right here that's about to be going in. The new 5.0 block, you know what I'm saying? We both about to be out here with new V8s.
trying to get it done, man.
Next time we do a trip, we both gonna be driving our own.
Yeah,
That's the plan.
that's the plan.
Next trip gotta be in SoCal though.
I ain't tripping.
We out to SoCal. His block, my whole head and cam package. So hey, I called BTR. They said my stage 2 cam would work with a supercharged setup. So.
This mother guy, I told him he was gonna do it. Guess what he get? No, I'ma just leave it alone. It's a daily, bro. For real, like, bro, stop telling me that shit. Lying, nigga.
The first thing we about to be doing is pulling off all the accessories.
All the accessories.
Getting everything off of the motor. That way it's just head and block. You recording or what? If you're gonna do it, set the camera. If you want, you can set it up here or set it somewhere, but set it to time lapse.
What's time?
Time lapse is right here.
Okay.
So when you hit time lapse, you ever see people where it's like they jumping around hella fast, moving the camera? That's what time lapse do.
Oh, okay.
Unless you go, because if not, then you're gonna be sitting there with hella footage of you disassembling it.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, time lapse make it all hella quicker.
And then just move the camera around.
Yes. So if you work, let's say if you're working right here, you can set the camera up here to have an overview. You can get creative with it. You can put the camera right up here, have it facing down. But wherever you want the angle at, that's where you can, you know, you set it wherever you want the angle. Just every, I guess like 3 minutes or so, just move the camera in a different spot. That way it doesn't look like you're getting the same clips. Make sure you clean the screen though. Yeah, gotta keep that screen clean. It's official now. What's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel?
What's the name of the channel?
Oh, it's Fox Body Fair and Aaron.
Fox Body Fair and Aaron. So I told this man I wasn't about to give him no shout out until he for sure got ready to do a video. So by the time my video gonna go up, I'm gonna make sure that we start editing his video and getting his video together too. So hopefully by then, the link's gonna be in the description below, but hopefully after I post this, he'll have a video up in the next day or so. So I am gonna work with him on getting the editing done. But officially, Aaron's YouTube channel, link down below, click that thing, and you already know. You can't like nothing because he ain't got shit on there to like, but you can go prematurely subscribe to my boy while we at it. So subscribe, sub, cause we about to go crazy on this Mustang. He about to be back out here, fresh motor, body work done.
Okay. Oh, that's what I'm really excited about to see that.
I know, it's looking good. All right, so we pretty much got this thing tore down in good ways, and we pulled the side off that had the issue. Remember I was saying that one side had like no compression or was all stuck? So took this off, and look at the head gasket ring right here. Hella blown out. So this side did have a leaking head gasket. Head gasket was blown right here and split right here. And we also seen that, you can see it on the actual, on the valves on the head too. This one was running good, but you can see right here in this cylinder, it was running like caca. So the issue was a blown head gasket. So we're just about to take this head off, and then we're pretty much done. And Brett's gonna check out the rest. I'm not sure when he's gonna be putting the rest of it together, but we did get everything disassembled. What's crazy is doing it like this when you helping your partner makes you like want to work on stuff. Like granted that I hate working on my own cars, but when it comes to like helping the homie, it makes it more like enjoyable because it's not just, and it just reminds me of like when we was hella younger and working on go-karts and mini bikes and stuff like that. So this helping somebody else is, more, well, helping my partner is more enjoyable than doing this on my own stuff. I don't want our videos to overlap too much, so I'm about to just continue to help him work on his vlog. We're just getting angles and stuff like that. And probably tonight I'm gonna help him put this video together. That way we can have something to post up tomorrow. But yeah, it is coming apart. Once this head comes off, everything's already done. Make sure we labeled everything, every bolt from the intake manifold to the heads to, everything's being labeled. That way, when it does go back together, we know where the bolts and stuff needs to go. And the car should be here, what, Saturday? Dropping the car off on Saturday.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady, speed limit 65. I'm about to do